everyone. Welcome back to BistroBuzz TV, where we share news, views, and opinions across many topics. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a do-it-yourself face mask. This one is a little bit different. You may see on the channel where there is a sock face mask, do-it-yourself with scissors. This is another option as well. The reason why I'm showing this one is because some people have been complaining about the elastic on some of the face masks that they're ordering and purchasing at different stores if they're available. And the elastic, they're saying, is a little bit too tight going around their head. And also the paper product that some of those masks are made of, they're not as comfortable. So what I did was I came up with another solution, and this is also for kids too, and some women, depending on if you like this idea or not, or for little boys or little girls. But I wanted to show this to everyone because this is a much more comfortable type of face mask versus some of the elastic that's going around our head on some of those face masks. And the socks that you'll find in the previous do-it-yourself on this channel, that one is one of the popular ones. I did have some individuals say that sometimes when they're cutting those socks, it's making it a little bit smaller. So you may want to get some of the larger socks and do the cutting on some of those to make the mask a little bit larger. And that is another, the do-it-yourself face mask with the sock, which is on the channel as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this. This is very, very simple. It is two of the ponytail bungee cords that you'll see here. Now there's sometimes the short ones. These are actually the long ones, and they're very hard to find, but I will suggest and recommend that you may want to check your local grocery stores, your food stores, because I'm not sure that individuals are actually using these yet to make these face masks, but these are the longer ones. They're the ponytail ones, so you know that there's the smaller ones, but this is the larger one. So it makes it a little bit easier to go around the head or the ear. So I want to show you what we've got. We've got two of these. Usually these come to about 6 to 8 per pack. So if you do find these at your local grocery store, food stores, or maybe at Target, these come in very, very handy when you're making these. But what I did, I went to Target. These are baby washcloths. Now for the little girls and the little boys, this is a very cute print. It's yellow with the little giraffes on it. Then we've got a plain yellow one. We have more of the teal color with the elephants. This is very, very cute as well. We've also got the mint green. There's a little bit of a deeper shade of the mint green, not a Kelly green, but more of a little deeper color of green. And then we have the mint green with the stripes. Okay, so these are very good for children, but some of the women could wear these as well if you wanted to match one of the face masks with maybe the mint color, or one of the face masks with the yellow. So I'm going to set these aside for right now. We're going to focus on one of these. So I'm taking one of the baby washcloths, and I'm just going to put it in a square here, as you can see. So if I turn it over and we turn it like a diamond shape, we take the top section, bend it down, the lower section, bend it up. So then you just got a nice fold. The top folded, the bottom folded. Then you take your two little bungee cords. You place one of the bungees on this side, the other bungee on this side. Then take the two ends, you put them together, and then you can put a paper towel or whatever you want to, a filter inside of here if you would like, or you can just leave it with just the baby washcloth. And then you put this over your face. You just take this side, put this over your ear, take this side, put that over your ear, and it's very cute. On the front, for this little mask, you would have the baby giraffes. This is very good. I've actually made one of these. I wore it myself. It was very, very easy. It was the mint green color. But what I really like about this is once you wear this, take it home, take it apart, put it in the washer, put it in the dryer, get it out again, fold it, and there you go, a face mask. Very simple. So there again, this is a baby washcloth. Turn it in the diamond shape, fold it down, fold it up, take the hair ponytail bungee scrunchie on one side, place it on the other side, fold it over on the right, fold it over on the left, turn it over, and you've got a very, very cute all cotton face mask for your children or for yourself. So thanks everyone for watching. Wanted to share this with everyone. Like I said, there were some people talking about the elastic face mask. It's just a little bit of a problem on their heads, and also they were saying that the material that some of the masks are made out of are irritating their skin a little bit. So this is another option if you wanted to use the ponytail, the larger one, hair ponytail scrunchies, and a baby washcloth. So thanks everyone for joining. Please like, subscribe, and join us again for additional topics. BistroBuzz TV. Thanks everyone.